what's up? Amy Scott Grant, spiritual ass kicker. Here with, is this crazy? Look, my hair's like growing out. I'm done dyeing it. I mean, I say that. You never know. In 5 years, I might be back to it again. But, whoo, for now, streamlining my life. So, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about what is in store for you for your June. So let's see the energy. Oh man, this card can't even wait for me to finish the question. It wants to come out so bad. Not about streamlining, but look, patience and planning. I love this card. I know, patience is like not my favorite thing, but I'm growing. I learn. Stop texting me. Okay, let me mute that so you don't have to hear it. Okay. I love this card because there's so much going on in this one little card, right? So I want to show it to you like super close up. Patience and planning. You notice there's two. It's focusing on me instead of the card. But if I don't move, I can't see what you see. Let's say, how about now? We see two columns, but one is a drawing of a column and the other is the actual column, right? One sort of looks like architectural blueprints on a grid. And the other one is the actual column. And in the background, you can see like spring, summer, fall, winter, right? So it's, I believe, this is what I believe about this card. I mean, I could read you the definition, but here's what I always think of when I see this card. It's about the passage of time from the point where you have an idea and you map out that idea. Maybe you draw it. Maybe you think about it. Maybe you crystallize that vision in your mind, but you are thinking about the outcome that you want. And then some time passes and voila, the exact outcome that you pictured is there, like for real, in reality, tangible 3D. It's your basic law of attraction, right? What you think about, you bring about. It's thoughts become things. It's all that stuff. But when this card comes up, patience and planning, it is a reminder to start planning and then be patient for those seeds to take time to root and grow, right? So this is what the message is for June, is like, think about the outcomes that you want and get crystal clear and crystallize that vision and know exactly how you want it to, like every nook and cranny and detail, what you want the outcome to look like. Now, you will notice, I do want to point this out too. Do you notice there are no construction materials in this card? There's no you taking classes to learn how to build a column. There's no power tools. There's no, right? Do you get my point? My point is that the how is not appearing in this card. It reminds me of that line from Holy Grail. Sir, not appearing in this film, right? It's like, really? So it's not about the how. It's just about, here's your job right now, is the planning, right? And then patience, because the seasons in the background show the time passing. And notice that what you intend manifests exactly. Now, I always like to leave, as you know, I like to leave it as that or better, right? Because there's this beautiful column that I can picture and imagine matter, but that or better, right? What do I care if it's Roman or Greco-Roman or whatever other kind of columns there are? Clearly, I'm not like an architectural buff, but that or better. So there you go. There's your June. So get busy planning, being crystal clear about what you want and how you want that to be. Not like how you're going to accomplish it or how it's going to come to fruition, but just how do you want it to be? How do you want it to look, feel? How tall do you want it to be, right? All those like details about the outcome. And then patience as you focus on that. All right, here's to a fantastic June together. I'll see you in the next video.